Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to link your PayPal account to your Shopify store. Now, all you have to do is simply go to settings on the lower left hand side. And under the left side here, you want to go to payments. Now, here is where you'll find your PayPal setup. So as you can see, it shows PayPal and it shows setup incomplete. I can simply click on that. Now, the important thing is this. If you have a PayPal account and you want to link the PayPal account, you will need to ensure that your PayPal account is set up as a business account. And that's going to allow you to basically do it. Because what's going to happen once you click in setup, right, or setup incomplete, it's going to give you the option now to complete the setup for your PayPal account. And once you click on that, it's going to try to sign you in. But if your PayPal account is not yet a business account, it's going to prompt you to convert this account into a business account. So be aware of that. You will need to convert your PayPal account to a business account. So you want to go through and fill out all the details for your PayPal account. And once you convert that to a business account, you will be able to connect that to your Shopify store. So keep these things in mind, guys, if you want to use your PayPal account as one of the payment methods on your store. And that's all that you really have to do. If you're fine with that, go ahead, proceed, set it up, convert it to a business account, and you'll be able to link your PayPal account to your Shopify store. It is really simple and very easy.